This video demonstrates how to access REVS through the OMVIC portal. First, click on the portal login link in the upper right-hand side of the OMVIC website. Next, click the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password. Then click the Sign In button. You will then complete a multi-factor verification process using either your email or text message. Once completed, you will be directed to the OMVIC portal. Next, click on your name in the upper right-hand menu. Next, select REVS registration from the drop-down menu to begin the registration and payment process. Confirm your information and move to the bottom of the screen. Click the Proceed to Payment button. Click Proceed. Scroll down for the credit card form. It may take a moment to appear. Enter your credit card number. Complete the credit card information form. Click the Confirm button. As per the message on the screen, you will receive an email at your registered email account in approximately 1 hour. The email will provide information about the next steps for accessing REVS, as well as contact information in case you have any questions. You will need to log into REVS for the first time using a device with a camera or have a clear image of your face ready to upload. This image will be used to verify your identity during assessments. Once you've received this email, you can click the link in the email to return to the OMVIC portal to access the REVS program. Once you've returned to the OMVIC portal, click on your name in the upper right-hand menu. Next, select Education Access, REVS, from the drop-down menu. The first time you access REVS, you will need to upload a photo. You can take a photo using your device's camera or upload an image file under 5 megabytes. Make sure your face and shoulders are clearly visible and unobstructed, similar to a driver's license or passport photo. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to access REVS through the OMVIC portal.